And over to Paul. It's a forewarned weather alert day.
It is. We have a wind advisory in effect today and the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms this evening. The good news is all of this waited until after the holiday travel was wrapped up. Let's take a look at what you can expect over the next 24 hours, though. First, the gusty conditions even before the rain arrives. A wind advisory in effect from 9 a.m. until midnight. Sustained winds 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusts over 40 miles an hour. Take some time, even if it slows you down getting out the door, to make sure any stuff in your yard is secure, whether it's lawn furniture or the trash can or any holiday decorations that you put out over the weekend. That stuff is going to get rearranged by those 40 to 50 mile an hour winds. Spotty showers, especially this afternoon, west of I-65, and then stronger storms moving across the mid-state this evening. The greatest severe weather risk looks like it's going to be southwest of Nashville. The main type of severe weather looks like it's going to be damaging straight line winds. On the forewarned live radar this morning, well, we have some showers, but a lot of what you're seeing here is evaporating in the very dry air near ground level. So the radar beam, as it goes farther away from the radar site in Nashville, that's looking a few thousand feet up in the air to pick up these showers, and that rain is mostly evaporating before it hits the ground. Have had a couple reports of light rain around Montgomery County up into southern Kentucky, so it's not completely dry out there, but the best chance of rain is going to be near the Tennessee River and in northwestern middle Tennessee until this afternoon. Then we see a better chance of another area of rain developing to our southwest, rolling up across the western half of the mid-state. All that ahead of the main round of rainfall and the stronger storm potential that'll move in just after sunset and march across the mid-state this evening. Lots of clouds out there this morning. Not going to see much sunshine, but it's still going to be a warm day overall. Abundant cloud cover, but also very strong winds out of the south. They're going to be pulling that warm air towards us. The winds at the airport have been already gusting up to around 20 miles an hour. Huge gap, though, between the air temperature and the dew point. Those numbers, the temperature and dew point, need to be much closer together for the humidity to be higher and for any rain to actually reach the ground. It's going to happen gradually, but the fact that the air is so dry, it's going to help to keep a lid on the amount of storm fuel for any severe thunderstorms later today. Here are the current temperatures as you're heading out the door. Mostly low to mid 50s out there. It is very warm so far this morning. Temperatures will warm up to the mid 60s by noon. Warm and breezy throughout the day. Those sustained winds strong enough, but the gusts, they're going to try to move you around a little bit around the road as well. And then the storms move in just after sunset, which is around 4:30 this afternoon. Futurecast shows the chance of rain mainly northwestern middle Tennessee this morning. The western half of the mid-state has the best chance of spotty showers, maybe a rumble this afternoon. Then here comes the main line of storms crossing over the Tennessee River just after sunset, around 5 o'clock, moving towards metro Nashville between 6 and 7 o'clock. That's an estimate from the computer model, but it's been consistently pointing in that direction. Then those storms rapidly move to the east, dropping quite a bit of rain along the way. Things calm down, but another round of rain is actually on the way for tomorrow night. You add up both, we're talking an inch or two of total rainfall, even 3 to 4 for some of the areas that are most desperate for rain in southern and eastern middle Tennessee. Unfortunately, it comes along with that severe weather risk. Not an off-the-charts threat around here. The greatest threat for any tornadic potential is going to be off to our southwest in Mississippi, Arkansas, and Louisiana. But the wind energy overhead is so substantial that we're going to be on the lookout for any damaging wind threat, along with maybe an isolated tornado warning as well. Dry during the day tomorrow, very warm, near record high temperatures in the low 70s. Then that next round of rain moves in tomorrow night into early Wednesday. After that, things calm down for the end of the work week before more rain heads our way by Saturday and Sunday. Got a lot going on, Rudy.
Boy, a lot different kind of a forecast. All right, Paul, thank you.